Dinner doesn't have to be complicated. Today we're gonna make this Mediterranean one-sheet pan shrimp with fennel, dill, and chickpeas. One-sheet pan dinners are a lifesaver on busy nights. Everything cooks on one pan and cleanup is a breeze. So today we're gonna do chickpeas, red onion. So we're gonna thinly slice this. So I'm just gonna use the mandolin. So lots of veggies here. We're gonna do fennel. All the veggies are gonna roast together and the shrimp is gonna absorb all the juices and all the deliciousness of the veggies. Then we're gonna do, here are our veggies here. We're gonna do olive oil. We're gonna do a teaspoon of cumin. Half a teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. So easy. And garlic. So we've preheated the oven to 425. I'm gonna add this. And we're gonna mix up our veggies with our olive oil and our spices. We're gonna put this right in the oven and we're gonna let this cook first for about 15 minutes. So we have here 1 pound of shrimp, deveined, cleaned, all ready to go. So we're gonna add lemon to this. We're gonna do lemon zest and lemon juice. Shrimp only takes a few minutes to cook, so we're gonna add that to our veggies. After the veggies have cooked, we're gonna add them just for the finishing so that they can cook really quickly in the oven. We've taken our roasted vegetables out of the oven and now we have our shrimp with our lemon zest and our lemon juice on them. Shrimp, again, will only take a few minutes to cook. So we're gonna pop these back in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're nice and pink. Our shrimp is cooked. Look at this, looks delicious. So we're gonna add here some feta. And we're gonna chop up some dill. For color. And your one-sheet dinner is ready to go. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckitz.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.